What is a big misconception about the Sámi that you wished people could understand? Good evening. I put my Sámi hat on. Today I'm going to answer some questions that I got. The biggest misconception about the Sámi people is that we all agree with each other. So a lot of people think that if you ask one Sámi a question, then this is the opinion of all Sámi people. It's not like that at all. It depends on who you ask what answer you will get. Also for these answers, maybe not all Sámis agree with me. So yeah, just remember that. So I think the biggest misconception is thinking that the Sámi people are, we all speak the same language, we all have the same opinions, we all look the same, we all have the same lifestyle. For example, that every Sámi is a reindeer herder, and we all dress the same, we all have the same clothing. It's so many different variations, for example, in our clothing and the language and like lifestyle. So there's a lot of variety in there. Being Sámi isn't just one thing, it's a lot of different things.